Hey, Rob Pincus here at the 2019 NRA annual meetings, the NRA convention in Indianapolis, Indiana. I'm splitting my attention a little bit between the Clover TAC crew and the Ghost Tactical crew, and I hope you're hearing and seeing everything that's going on here because this is pretty cool. I'm really excited about it. This is the limited edition POF USA ICE defensive carbine, and it's actually pretty cool. What it is not anything really super unique in the world, but it's a combination of amazing features from POF. Now, Patriot Ordnance Factory has been the sponsor for the Personal Defense Network training tour for 2 years now, and I've really fallen in love with these rifles. Had a great experience with the rifles prior to the tour starting last year, and in 2018's tour, I took a Renegade Plus, one of the Renegade Plus gas guns, 5.56 out, as my primary demo and loaner gun. So that gun got used by a lot of different students. It got used by me, and you've seen pictures of it on my Instagram and everything else. It's dirty, abused, beat up, and it's run like a tank, and it's a great gun. But I'll be honest with you, as soon as I picked up the Wonder rifle that these guys released earlier this year, I was really impressed because it came with a lot of the great features that I expect from POF, people are familiar with from POF, but it was much lighter. It did use a forged lower, and to be honest, we were talking a second ago, I like all the little flippy button bits down here. I like the fact that it's fully ambidextrous. But I'll tell you, one of the things like the anti-walk pins on the original Renegades, they were rounded, which meant it was a little bit busy in front of the magazine well. Well, check this out. Flat anti-walk pins, which is great. I can get to that magazine release a lot easier, and of course this is basically a Renegade Plus lower put with the Wonder upper in this great tungsten Cerakote gray with the cool Triquetra IC Training Company's logo that I've been using for a long time that obviously people associate with me, with Personal Defense Network, and what we do. So a couple of the other cool things about this, it's got the new Micro B brake, which is a single area brake. It doesn't have multiple chambers, but it works like awesome. It's absolutely a flat shooting, fun, fast shooting gun. It's got absolutely what you would expect with me, the Mission First Tactical Minimalist stock. I love that. Mission First handle as well. I've also got the new charging handle. Now this is a lower profile charging handle than we've had from POF in the past. So they've had some great ambidextrous charging handles. Everybody knows I use the charging handle a lot. We recommend using it for your loading. Obviously you need to use it for a lot of other things, which means that this needs to be a tough piece of gear, and POF makes a great one. This is an even better one for me because it's more of a mid-size one. It's not obviously small, but it's not quite as big as the other ones. I'm usually using a red dot. I usually have the hollow sun up here, so I don't have too much going on in the back, and I like being able to hit these very reliably, but not have the big giant ones sticking out like we had in some of the earlier rifles. So this really is a perfect combination as far as I'm concerned of the features that are available from POF. I'm really proud to be working with these guys, super proud that they felt like it was a good idea to do this limited edition package. Now the package itself is $1649. So if you look at the prices of the other POF rifles, you're going to see that this is actually one of the least expensive ways you can get into one of these Renegade Plus lowers, which is really cool. This is obviously a machined lower, and it's top quality. It's got the trigger, single stage trigger, flat face front trigger, which if you follow me on the Instagram, follow social media, you know, it took me a long time to warm up to those, but I really have. So I've really gotten used to the flat trigger. It's a single stage trigger, and this obviously is a POF trigger as well. So super excited about this. Appreciate everything that Frank and all the guys do at POF to support the training tour and to support training and people that are interested in personal defense and obviously just exercising their Second Amendment rights. Frank's a proud American. Everybody at POF, they're proud Americans, and they're proud of everybody that wants to own their guns, and that's why they make a quality product. I've really come to trust them, very impressed with them. Super proud of the POF USA ICE limited edition gun. We've only made 50 of these, so $1649. Get in touch with POF USA, or I'll put the details in the social media. You can order one, $30 shipping, no tax if you don't live in Arizona, so less than $1,700. You can have a really sweet, lightweight, super reliable, super fast shooting 5.56 patrol rifle, defensive carbine, or maybe just something nice to add to your collection.
Recognize I'm an OG, lights off, mic off, I'ma smash on deck. Get my bread when I cash my check. I'm Pyrex, you know me yet, better get ready, cause God has blessed me.